Hey guys, I just got my walking pad that I ordered from Amazon, and I just got finished unboxing it because it was like really nicely packed and I really liked about it. So I'm going to be using this walking pad for at least 2 weeks to see if I lose any weight. My plan is to walk a little over 10,000 steps on this walking pad, and also total of 20,000 steps in a day, but I'm not sure how am I gonna how much of this walking pad is gonna help me on the steps, but I'll try to do at least 12,000 steps. Yeah, so that's the goal. And I've never used this walking pad before. I did a lot of research and I bought this because it looks like this is in not the budget friendly, but at least not so expensive that Costco sells from Kingsmith. And this walking pad also inclines 12%, a little bit of I think this much of height. So, and it's very sturdy. It said that it's more like a gym kind of material wise, you know. So that's the reason I got this, and it really looks very like a heavy use kind of walking pad. Doesn't look like the one that we see in TikToks and stuff like that. So yeah, I really think like it's very nice looking, and I got the silver one, and I'm really excited to turn this on. So give me 1 minute and I'm gonna turn it on and show you guys. Alright, I was just checking out what it came with, and these are the wrench, and it also comes with a remote, and this one was inside this package, and it also came with like 2 extra screws, like the black ones. If you see this one, like the small screws here, like I would put it inside. It came with it, and also came with a little, like a small screwdriver thing. And I didn't understand, it came with a battery as well, these batteries, and I don't understand like how to open this remote. And then I realized, oh, it has a little screw over here. If you see, I just normally you have the remotes like just to slide it and then it will open it, but this one had a screw on it. So if you lose, they've sent you extra 2 of them, like these 2, and then a screwdriver. That was it. So I was like kind of looking around, but moreover, everything else is very straightforward. It's just a cord. It comes with a cord. Just plug it in and then turn it on, and then yeah. So I'm just gonna set up this remote and show you guys real quick. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on now.
Power on.
Look at them. All right, let's see what we have here. So these are this is the remote. So this is on mute and this is on volume. Okay, so we have to press on to this play button. It's gonna start, give you 3 seconds time, and then that's gonna show your time, your steps. I mean, it should be more than that. Yeah, and then I think you can increase your incline. I'm not sure how to increase my speed. Oh yeah, speed is on that side, but I don't know. Okay, let's see how much it does. So it goes up until 12, and speed is a plus sign. Okay, so this is the incline, this is the speed, right? If you guys can see. Oops, it's not focusing. This is this incline, this is the speed. If you see, my speed is right now 1.5. I'll keep it at 1.5 because I'm like going up. Oh, this is nice. I'm doing barefoot right now, and it's very sturdy. It's very nice. I love it. You can just watch TV while walking, and it's not flimsy at all. I'm not shaking or anything. This is amazing. It shows the time. Moreover, it shows the steps, so that's the reason I love this. Okay, let me show from the side. We just pause. So for pause, you just hit that pause, and then it just goes down. Oops. Okay, so you can just take it off. Okay, I just got off, and it's incline. Yeah, that's 12, if you can see. And that's the incline, the total incline. And it's, I mean, it's not a lot. Oops, please don't mind him. It's not a lot, but it's better than nothing. So I would say this is amazing. Yeah, there's no noise at all. If you can, yeah. I will try to connect my Bluetooth to this and check it out. All right, if you can see, I am connected to W60.2, and that's what it's written on the manual as well. So that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi, to Bluetooth. Okay, and also there are like multiple programs already built in. I don't think I'm gonna use those. I have to go through one of each, but for now I'm just gonna do like my stuff. Just walk and count the steps. That's all I care about. There's a child lock as well. If you see on the number 7, I just could not find the lock button on the remote here. Yeah, but there must be a way. So yeah. All right, I just figured out that the child lock for this W60 model is in the app only and on the remote, so that's why I couldn't find it. But yeah, and this is the LED light. Everything else is controlled by the remote. If you see, this is the on and off, pause and play, right? It gives you 3 seconds. It starts, and then this is the LED light, and it's connected to Bluetooth. And let me play. And this is the program mode. This is the mute, unmute. This is for the speed. Oh, sorry, incline, and this is for the speed. Okay. So let me play something for you guys and let's hear it out. Wow, this is amazing. I don't know if this is the max volume. I think. Because there's no way here I can control. Maybe on the app. Yeah. This is amazing. And if you guys want to completely shut it down, all you do is just press onto this for a few seconds and just leave. It goes down. Just like that. And I just figured that out myself. Nobody taught me. I just assumed. All right. So to make your job easier, I downloaded the app, which is this one. So it kind of looks like this, MERACH. Or MERACH, however you want to say. This is the app. The thing is, you have to start your workout from the app in order to record or track your steps. I don't know about the steps. I think the distance and everything else, right? You have to start like, you click on go. First of all, what you have to do is you have to connect. So here, my walking pad is, this is the name. So it automatically turns on, searches for the Bluetooth names around you, and then you have to of course turn on your Bluetooth first, and then you connect. Right now it's off, so when you connect, it's connected, and then you hit on go, and then it will say like either to stop or play. Okay, so here's the app, and I just got connected to my walking pad. As you can see, W60 connected, and you just have to go to your home for that. So go to your home and you'll see connected. If you want to disconnect, you can just disconnect and then connect again. That's how you do it, right? It's connected now. And then go to workout, and then just hit go. And yeah. It's gonna start just like that. This acts like a remote as well. So yeah, as of now it's 0 steps, so let me step on it and come back in a while. Maybe like just do a few steps and see if this tracks everything or not. Okay, I just want to show you guys the pause as well. So I am paused here. Okay, let's step and let's start. Amazing. Okay, so if you see the time, it's 28, 27, I think. I just want to see if this app records steps or not, because that's the most important thing I care about from this walking pad, because I'm tracking my steps, I know. Okay, so the time is exactly the same, distance, speed. I just don't see the steps here. Even the incline, like you can do the incline from here, right? Let's see. Oh, that's the decimal, okay. Oh, incline is right here, oops. Oh, that's going fast. I think I have to pause it. I don't know how, but then the speed got a little faster. Okay, I'm gonna pause. And I paused from the app. I'll just end it. Okay. So this is the real time. It does not tell you the steps though, right? Because I really wanted to look at the steps, honestly. Yep, it does not. So if you go to statistics, then you'll have one workout. That's a bummer. How I wish it told you steps too. Like, why wouldn't you tell the steps? I'm not sure if there's any other way. I do not see steps at all. Yeah, let me figure this out real quick and come back and let you guys know. All right, so there is a way to connect your MERACH app to your Apple Health account, right? If you're using an iPhone, I use an iPhone, so I can only do Apple. But I just tested out and the steps, they're not recorded correctly, even though it's synced. So I don't think the steps are going to be on the apps, even though either on MERACH app or the Apple Health. So I guess you'll just have to track, because as soon as you shut it down, your steps are gone and you'll have to write it down, like how many steps you've taken. And I don't think that's a good thing, you know, to be honest. I gave the I authorized this Apple Health to sync with my MERACH app, but still I don't see. And I did start my workout from the app to record it, but it still didn't work out. So I guess, yeah. All right, so far I walked 32 minutes and 3,600 steps. All right, that was it for this amazing walking pad, and I hope I'll lose a few pounds. Not actually a few pounds. My goal is to lose a lot of pounds, and if I do, at least I'm targeting 10 pounds a month by walking 20K steps using this walking pad by MERACH. And yeah, wish me luck. And if you guys want to see more of this, you know, updates on this walking pad, let me know. I'll be happy to do it. And I'll also planning to do like every 2 weeks or a week update, you know, video on my weight loss, as well as how good of this walking pad is. Was very excited to get this because it was supposed to come on Monday and today's Saturday, so I just thought of making this video and give a quick review on the look and feel, you know, the first time opening of this product, because I have had a walking pad long time back from Walmart, but it was like a very it was like around $200 I think, and it was not that good. I think it was like, it felt very cheap quality. But this one, I did some research and I got this one because it has an incline, and also it said on the website or on the, you know, reviews that it was more like gym material type, not like just a flimsy one, a cheap version that kind of like shakes whenever you want running or, you know, walking. But yeah, and the speed is up to 4, the incline is 12, and it's not the 12 in the treadmill, but it's better than nothing, you know, because normally walking pads, they don't come with the incline. So yeah, this is a great addition to my fitness journey, and I'll come back with more updates. Until then, take care and like this video if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe and hit and help your girl out to get 10,000, no, 1,000 subscribers at least. You know, that's my goal. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.